Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm back with a very interesting topic that I got some tips and tricks about your Android. So now I'm gonna start my video. So let's start. But before starting the video, I want to tell you that I can provide all types of videos. You just have to comment us down there so that we can provide you that type of video you want. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to let us know what you feel about our video. Thank you guys. Let's start the video. First, I want to tell you that how you can send messages, uh, divert messages on your WhatsApp. I will show you. So as you can see, this message, "How are you?" is diverted. As you can see, the upper message is straight, but the down message, "How are you?" is diverted. So I will tell you how I do this. So for this you have to download an app. You can have it from Play Store, Flip Text. As you can see, now I wanna type or send message that I am fine. Okay, so clicking on flip, that as you can see it has flipped. So now send. You can send directly this message from here. As you can see, the send diverted flipped message has sent. So this is how you can do this. So guys, the next app is silent screenshot. So for this you have to download an app, silent screenshot, and as you can see, and camera is in the top center of appeared in my phone screen. And when you do when you open this app, it asks for some permissions. As you can see, I have already enabled it. So when I enable it, it also asks me some more permissions. It asks for storage and screen capture. When I do this, all the permission will be given to it, and by clicking on this camera, so I will show you the screenshot in my gallery. As you can see, it is here. Yeah, it is in the pictures. It is present in the screen. So now guys, I'm gonna tell you how. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you how you can play your YouTube video in the background like it is audio. So for this you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to your Google Chrome. I'll show you. Here it is, my Google Chrome, and play any video you want. I will show you, like this one. This is my video. It is playing. As you can see, it has started playing. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I've got a very interesting topic, which is how you can get. If you want to play so in the background, you have to click on the center button so that it directly comes back to your home screen. And by this you can see here how to recover the video as has been converted to audio. And if you click on play button, it starts to play in audio. Photos. So this is how you can play your YouTube videos you want to see in the audio. You can hear it very faster. So if you wanna to see a video or a YouTube video, any video on your phone like this, like I'm watching. I'll show you. So as you can see, it is playing, and it is surely playing very easily. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. So for this you must have UC browser app. As you can see, I have the app, and I have gone to YouTube, and I have played this video, and here you can see there is an option here of a big screen and a small screen type option, and you have to click on this. As you can see, the video has started, and I can move it here, there, anywhere on my screen. So this is how you can do this. And so now guys, I'm gonna tell you a very important tip about your phone, that if anyone has used your phone and you don't know what kind of what he has used, because he has deleted all the recent app history like I am the doing. So for uh, for this you have to go in your phone dialer, there type one sec, I'll show you the exact one. Star hash 4636 star hash. Sorry, I will repeat myself. Star hash 4636 hash star hash, and then star. After this, a menu will appear, and here you have to click on usage statistics. As you can see, my usage statistic is here. When I used private zone, when I used any app last time, it is usage time, it is showing me right now. So this is how you can know who has used your phone. It also gives you your phone information, and Wi-Fi information, battery info, everything about your phone. So in this way you can know everything about your phone, that what the person you used your phone has used in your phone. So guys, if you're interested in increasing your brain power, so this is the time and perfect app for you. Its name is beats meditation. Binaural beats meditation. You can get it from the Play Store. As you can see, it has given me 4 options: body, sleep, brain, and spirit. We are you can use whatever you want to, but right now we want to increase our brain abilities. So we'll play it. You can use your hand freeze or headphones for hearing the music, because it gives a different frequency to this to both ears. I don't know what's his system to send a different waves, but it can increase your brain abilities. So I'm now clicking the start so that you can hear the music. So this is the music. This type of music will play, and it'll give you a different frequency on of waves on both of your ears. So for this you have to for this you have to use headphones. And now if you are having trouble in sleeping, I have also an app for that will help you in sleep. Its name is Relax Music. It'll play music and help you in sleeping. I'll show you. click on sleep button, and, and as you can see it has started to play music for so that we can sleep relaxedly. I'll play the music for 10 seconds so that you can hear it. This type of music will be played. It has different music files, so that you can have more options to hear. So now I'm gonna tell you an app where you can get every instrument in your phone. As you can see, Walkman. Its name is Walkman. My battery is low. Oh, sorry. So it is giving me keyboard, multi-track synth, drum kit, pad, guitar, bass, and drum machine. As you can see, it is keyboard. So this is keyboard, guitar, and everything, every instrument you want. So these are some apps and tips and tricks for your Android. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to tell us what you feel about the video. Thank you guys. Let's meet you in the next video.